San Beda, Mapua. Okay? Once again, champion ulit yung San Beda after 5 years, no? Champion ulit yung mga taga Mindiola after 5 years, no? Last championship nila.
3% lang?
2018 yung kanilang last championship, so after 5 years, no? Ito pang 23rd men's basketball title, the winningest college program sa buong Pilipinas. So, nakita naman natin yun, na pinakamaraming championship sa NCAA Philippines men's basketball. So, well, kaya nag-champion yung Beda kasi nag-adjust itong si Coach Yuri Escueta at saka yung coaching staff nila. Kumbaga, ginamit nila yung lalim ng bench nila. Inilagay nila si James Payosing of the bench. Inilagay nila yung reserve point guard nila na dun sa starting lineup. Nagkaroon sila ng added firepower of the bench. Na sa tingin ko, nung final siya, nung pagkakalagay kay James Payosing sa of the bench, yun na nagbigay sa kanila ng kasi pag nagpahinga itong si Jacob Cortez, nagpahinga itong sila Peter Alparo, yun yung papalit yung Bayosing at saka yung height nung San Beda, okay, yung kanilang rebounding, especially do sa dulo, gumana, okay. Although dumikit yung Mapua, lumamang pa nga, pero talagang hindi mo matatalo yung San Beda kung off night si Clint Escamis, si Bonnie, si Warren Bonifacio. Hindi mo matatalo yon. Hindi mo matatalo yung San Beda kung wala yung player na yun. Yun ang masakit minsan Minsan kung kailan pa championship, doon ka pa minamalas. No? At saka itong San Beda, it is not the number 1 team. Number 2 team sila actually. They had to go in the eye of the needle para lang manalo. For 4 straight games, kailangan nilang manalo to lock in the final 4 slot, sabi dyan. Then, twice in the final 4 versus Lyceum. And then, twice against Mapua to win the championship. So, napakahirap na nun. Napakahirap na path nun para manalo ka. Kaya sigurado ko masaya ang Pasko ng mga taga San Beda at lalong-lalo na yung players at yung coaching staff. Well, credit to sa coaching staff, no? Kasi do sa adjustment nila. They know that Mapua uses a short rotation kind of a thing. Short yung rotation nila, no? Yung mga bench players na ginagamit nila, mabibilang mo lang. So sa 15-man lineup, siguro ang ginagamit lang nila is around 9 players. So yun yung naging magandang adjustment ng they go 1 man deep more than Mapua, kaya sila nanalo. Congratulations to the San Beda Red Lions and to Coach Yuri at saka sa mga players. Kay Coach Yuri Escueta, congratulations. Coach Norman Black, Coach Boyet Fernandez, congratulations po sa inyo. So, yun lang po.